So guys, we've got some Peugeot 206 chrome clear Lexus style rear lights here. We're just going to get these unboxed, have a closer look. So here we are. We've got a proper chrome background, totally crystal clear rear lens. These lights are supplied and fitted with bulbs already. They are completely E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. Overall build quality is really high. These feel really good and sturdy. Really easy to fit straight into the back of the 206. This only fits a hatchback, it doesn't fit the CC or estate model. As you can see, they just plug directly into the wiring loom on the vehicle. So we'll have a closer look and see what they'll look like.